Did you always wanted to be that baddie with super voluminous and glossy red hair? However, the idea of chemical hair dyes and all those bleaches scared you. But no worries, girl, because today I'm going to tell you how to sport that beautiful reddish tint without any harsh bleaching or chemical treatments. Just look at this beautiful, stunning reddish tint. The homemade hair dye that I'm going to talk about today is 100% natural, has no side effects, and will cost you almost nothing, as most of the ingredients are commonly found in most Indian kitchens. And this natural hair mask is not just about the color. In fact, with regular usage, your hair will grow much more thicker, longer, and voluminous. But before I share my secret hair care remedy, make sure that you subscribe to my channel for more such hair care videos. As the first step, let's quickly prepare the color concentrate. This actually is the soul of this hair mask, and for this we need a few simple things like pomegranate peels. You can either use fresh pomegranate peels or the dried ones. I am using the fresh ones. This gives a beautiful gloss to the hair and it nourishes and fortifies the hair as well. Then we'll use some hibiscus flowers. Hibiscus is a very strong conditioner that deeply nourishes the hair and locks the hair pigment, making the hair appear much more vibrant and shiny. I'm also adding a few rosemary leaves. They are optional, you can skip them as well. But those who know me, they know that I always use rosemary in all my hair tonics and masks, just because they act as a very strong medicine for hair growth and reversing hair damage. Now for making the concentrate, we are going to use 1 liter of water. Keep it on high to medium flame and drop all the ingredients one by one into this water. After adding all the ingredients, let's just add 1 heapful of regular tea leaves. Let everything boil together for at least 15 minutes on high flame. You will see a gradual change in the color of the water. This means all the flowers and herbs are getting slowly infused into the water. So it's been almost 15 minutes now and it has been boiling thoroughly. Now it's time to switch off the flame and let it cool down completely for at least half an hour. So it's been a little over 30 minutes and it has cooled down completely, and look at this beautiful color. This is the exact reddish tint that we are going to get on our hair. Now I'll quickly strain this concentrate out. Guys, this concentrate is so powerful and so potent that it can strengthen your hair and can also reduce hair fall. You can use it as a hair spray as well by just spraying it out on the roots of your hair. It really revitalizes the hair and makes it look shiny and very glossy. And look at this beautiful, brilliant color. And the best part is that this can be stored in the fridge for up to 10 to 15 days. By the way, all the ingredients that I'm going to use in this video are linked in the description box. So after the concentrate has been prepared, now let's prepare the hair mask itself. In an iron kadhai, I'm using 1 cup of pure henna powder. You can adjust the quantity as per the length of your hair. This is 100% pure and organic sun-dried henna powder made out of the best henna leaves sourced from the farms in Sojat in Rajasthan. This is from my own brand, and if you wish to try it out, then you can check the description box for all the details. After this, I'm using around half cup of beetroot powder. This is 100% pure and sun-dried beetroot powder. If you do not have beetroot powder, then you can simply use some freshly squeezed beetroot juice as well. But please do not use stale juice. Then we are going to use Ratanjot. This is a kind of tree bark which is traditionally used as a natural and safe hair dye. Ratanjot is easily available at a very low price at most Ayurvedic shops or even at Pansari shops. You can either directly use the Ratanjot powder or can grind these stems into a fine powder as I did. The last natural and absolutely safe hair color that I'm going to use here is Katha, which is also known as cashew in English. Most people don't know, but the Hindi word for deep maroon color is Kathai, which is derived from Katha itself. You can get Katha in a bar form or in such powder texture from any Ayurvedic store. However, if you don't get it from your local shops, then you can always buy it from Amazon. I have shared all the links in the description box. Here I'm using the Katha powder directly. It gives a very nice bright pigment to the hair without any damages. So guys, this is all that we need for preparing this mask. Now mixing it all using the color concentrate that we prepared previously. Add this concentrate little by little and make a smooth lump-free paste. Keep the consistency a little loose because the herbs will soak extra water once kept overnight in an iron kadhai. See, it already appears so bright and nice. Now all we have to do is to let it rest for 8 to 10 hours for best results. It's the next morning and the water has reduced because the herbs soak up water. The consistency has now become a little thicker. And let me show you the stain it leaves within 5 seconds of coming in contact with your skin. Look at this beautiful, brilliant red stain that the mask has left on my palm. Isn't it pretty? But let me be very honest with you, since our hair has natural pigment and melanin, so for getting the desired result, you need to use this hair mask at least 2 to 3 times. Because in salons, the hair is bleached first to get rid of all the extra melanin. But here we are using it just naturally, on our hair. So use it at least 2 to 3 times for getting the best results. And just look at the number of grays that I have at the moment. It is only because I didn't find time to apply any hair mask for the last 3 months, and this hair mask will color the hair and will cover the grays as well. So apply it generously, section by section, properly from the roots to the tips. And a very important tip here, after the application, leave it for at least 2 hours and then rinse it with plain water only. Then towel dry your hair and then apply some kind of oil generously. Shampoo should only be applied after 24 hours of using the hair pack. This locks the color and pigment in the hair and gives you the best result. So do try this amazing natural hair mask out and repeat after every 15 days for getting the best color. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more such videos on hair care. See you all in my next video. Till then, bye and take care.